Today I am trying to explain the position of the core for a casting which has got an opening inside. Like I talked to you in the class face to face, I am trying to simulate the situation that you are sitting in front and I am talking and working on the board. Now you see, this is actually my object. It's like the dumbbell of a weightlifter. It has got two extended dimensions, but on the other side it's circular. On the other view, that means it's a circular shape. Now I want to make a casting of this. Now for this type of a object, the pattern will be exactly similar to the object, only in the dimension the allowances will be added. So the pattern will look similar and it will be split at this point, at the center. At the center it will be split. Okay? Now what you do is, this is my drag, as I am explaining in the class, and this is the core. So there are two mold boxes. The lower one is called the drag and the upper one is called the core. Now first you take half the pattern and take an impression in the drag. So the impression will come like this. Half impression will come here. And the core, which is on the other side, you take the half impression on the core also. So the core, I have shown in a dotted line, the core will have an impression like this. Now if you take the core and put it in the drag, then the shape will be, I am just drawing a line now, the shape will be like this. So when these two boxes are joined, core and drag, you have the shape of the object in the sand, because these are all filled with sand. When you take the impression, the sand will move and the impression will come. Similarly on the other hand. And suppose this is the gate through which the material is poured. Now you get the full solid casting. If you pour it, the full solid casting, the next day you open, you shake the sand out and the casting will be in your hand. This is the case when there is a solid casting. But suppose you come to the next figure now, where we have a casting, same casting, but it has got a hole inside. So you can see the hole here on the other view, and it has got a hole inside. Now if the casting is like this, then to do that, you have to put a core inside so that the material doesn't go in this place. Now here, in this particular case, the pattern was exactly similar in looks with the object. But here, the pattern will look like this. This will have two extended pieces on both sides, where the diameter is equal to the diameter of the hole. These are called core prints. Core print. And this pattern is split also at the center. So one half is like this and another half is like this. Now you come here how the impression is taken. Now we take the impression of the one half here in the sand like this. So the impression comes like this with the core print. The impression will be like this. And a core is prepared with core sand and linseed oil, as I explained in the class, and then baked in the oven. A core is like this, a rod, the diameter of which is equal to the diameter of the hole here. Right? Now when you get the impression in the lower half, that means in the drag, then after that you put the core. So when the core will sit in the opening created by the core print, so the core sits like this, and then you put the, then you put the cope on top of this. If you put the cope on top of this, this will sit like this with the core print nicely placed in the center. Now if you pour the material, you see the material will go everywhere. The material will go everywhere excepting the core which is placed here. Now If next day, if you open the casting, you will get a casting like this, where there will be a hole inside and there will be solid casting all around. I hope this is clear. The core business is clear. So I wanted to explain to you clearly on both. Okay.